Another massive event from Brightstar Realty and Auctions, the two-day virtual equipment auction, May 20th and 21st, with a variety of tools, vehicles, implements, machinery, equipment, lumber, and much more, all selling at absolute online auction with telephone bidding available. Over 700 lots from various consigners, including 7 liquidations. Plus, this auction has 10 portable band mills, an abundance of sawmill equipment, and rolling stock. Be sure to contact Brightstar for a free detailed catalog and essential guide to buyers planning to bid by telephone. Here are a few highlighted lots of the Brightstar Virtual Equipment Auction. 2148 is a John Deere 90 horsepower power unit. Lot 2171 is a 2021 AccuCut Edger with 48 horse John Deere diesel. A brand new Woodpecker Jr. pallet nailer is Lot 2175. This Viking Champion 304 automatic pallet nailer and stacker is Lot 2188. Lot 2191A is a 2017 Woodmiser Super Hydraulic Wide Throat LT70 portable band mill. Don't miss these 4 lots if you are in the market for a sawmill. This 2017 Woodmiser LT70 portable mill is Lot 2192. Lot 2195 is a hydraulic portable sawmill, a 2017 LT40 model from Woodmiser. Lot 2196 is a 2004 Woodmiser LT40 super hydraulic portable sawmill. And this 1998 LT40 hydraulic portable sawmill from Woodmiser is Lot 2197. Other items consigned to this 2-day auction event include Lot 2202, a CAT IT24 wheel loader. This Case 855C track loader is Lot 2206. Lot 2212 is a 2002 Timberjack 430B knuckle boom. Lot 2297 is a 150 kilowatt Onan genset with Cummins engine. A wide variety of machinery, equipment, vehicles, and much more, all selling at absolute auction. No minimums, no reserves. It's the Brightstar 2-day equipment auction, Friday and Saturday, May 20th and 21st. Auction takes place online only, with telephone bidding available. Bidding begins each morning at 9 o'clock, with lots 1,000 through 2,000 selling on Friday, May 20th, and lots 2,000 and up selling on Saturday, May 21st. To find out more, call 574-825-0704 or visit the website brightstarauctions.com.